as you can see here, I've got a broken antenna on my Tiny Whoop. The shielding on the outside has broken all the way around, and so now I'm getting pretty terrible reception. So I'm just going to need to replace this. And I've got an extra that I'm going to grab and solder it on, and I'll show you guys how to do that. It's actually pretty easy. I just need to remove this one really quick and put the new one on. So first things first, I got to get the camera off, which I've taken off these screws from the mount. I've got a little zip tie here holding the camera in. Got to get rid of that. And then just pop off the camera mount. So there we go. I just need to get my soldering iron warmed up and can take this one off. Now I just have to take a look through my bag of stuff. I know that I've got the antennas in here somewhere. There we go. I found them. Just need to grab one of these. Okay, let's see, you're going to tin this. Yep. Good there. Alright, I got my chisel tip on here. Might be a little bit overkill for this, but I'll see how I can do. There we go. Got it all off. That was pretty quick. So that one was going to toss. No sense in trying to fix that one. Now let's take a look here at this solder here. It looks okay. Looks usable. Might just clean it up a tad. Stick a new one on. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more fresh solder here, because this needs a pretty big bridge. Actually, I think I'm going to change out for my pencil tip. Alright, I got my pencil tip all warmed up. So I'm going to try to tin this pad, signal pad right here in the middle. Get a good bead of solder on there. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to put a little on here. And just tap the signal wire on. Alright, that should be good. Now I'm going to try to bridge across this large gap here on the top. That'll be my shielding. Alright, that should about do it. It's not the prettiest solder job I've ever done, but and it worked. Maybe I'll touch it. Let me just touch it a bit here. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'll leave it like that. That should do the job. back together. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I get the same kind of flashy interference that I had before. So I think we are good to go.